official ways to make money online if you want to start up an online business today. And right now I'm going to be talking to you about online courses. So if you fancy making an online course for you to make passive income, then carry on and I will see you after this. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from burnout2breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Okay, so I'm going to write 2 countries, right? And I want you to guess which has the most internet users, okay? So let's go for, I don't know what I said 2, should we go for 3? So who uses the internet the most out of these 3? Got the answer in the comments box? China. Now, I lived in China for 7 years as an expat, absolutely loved it. Doesn't surprise me because everyone is online. I brought up the story of the airport in a few videos ago, and it was just a distinctive moment for me because everyone, when I was at the airport, I was on a second sort of tier level part of the airport, and I looked down and there was just hundreds of people, and I could not find one person. This is like the waiting area, obviously they weren't carrying their suitcases onto the flight, but every single person was on their phone. It was just like, so that doesn't surprise me, that fact. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, this is Jen. Hi, welcome, thanks for coming. It's from Burnout to Breakthrough, and if you want to continue staying, hit that like button and press that notification bell button, because if you want daily videos coming to you, and so you can learn how to build your online business from scratch and live a life of luxury or just maybe get your life back, then stick around. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about online courses. So, online courses as a business model for you to explore when going online is amazing. If you have a skill or you feel you can actually deliver a service to someone. So if you have a skill in, I don't know, art design, creating adverts, for example, flyers, you could create a course on how you use, as an example, Photoshop, and someone might be really interested to learn how to use Photoshop, and you could, do a course within a matter of a few days and put it onto a platform. I speak here on this video about Udemy because I've done Udemy before, and that is your way of making passive income. And then what you would do is see every online course as an online asset, like you're building bricks, you're building the foundations of your online business. So one online program can lead to 2, can lead to 3, and if you aim to, let's say, make a course a week or a course a month, times that by the year and times that by a long-term plan of 5-10 years, then that's how you make money online through online courses. Now, I've actually done one online course myself, just one, because it wasn't really the arena I wanted to continue with, but I just wanted to launch my first online course. It was, or it's still live, I'll put a link actually in the bottom of the description. It was called From Burnout to Breakthrough, and it helps stressed out corporates and offline business owners manage their stress better and to become more productive. So I'll leave the link if you want to look into that course. Actually, if you drop me a personal message, either on Facebook, From Burnout to Breakthrough, or message me here, or maybe Jen at FromBurnouToBreakthrough.com, I'll send you a free coupon code. There you go, so you can have my course for free. I'll leave the link as well. So I made 3 points here. So yeah, this is the 3-step process on how you make money online through online courses on a platform like Udemy. There are others, but I'm going to speak about Udemy in this video. So you would create a course. So obviously I gave the example of, if you are a designer and you want to teach people how to design flyers using Photoshop, you could do that. Create course. So a series of videos. As my course as an example, there were 4 weeks, and it was 7 videos in each of the weeks, so therefore, you know, I did 28 videos, and obviously a few bonuses as well, so you can sort of roughly see what a program would be, and then you know, you can go from there depending on what you're offering actually. So step 2 of the process is like, once you've done it once, the program, the online course, then that's how it continues to sell for you, because you don't need to do it again. It's sort of set and forget, that type of strategy. So that's why it's an online asset, that's why it's a really good way of making money online. And the third point is just put set and forget type concept. Yeah, write these notes down, because it goes into your subconscious brain a lot quicker, a lot more efficient, because I think it's like 20%. If people actually watch something, it only goes in 20% of the time. But if you were to write something down visually, you can see it and you're actually physically writing it down or typing it away, you know, it reinforces the learning. So feel free to write this in the comments box. And the third point in the process of building online courses is that, I've actually said it how many times now, it's actually you are building an asset. So that's the really motivating thing. So if you were to, you know, be quite diligent and strict on yourself, and you've got a time frame and a commitment of, let's say, one online course a week or a month, then you can just see that you know, you are building a very healthy business, building well, you're building sustainability, aren't you? Because you put the hard graft in at the beginning. Sustainability, yeah, gotta make sure I'm spelling nowadays. Yeah, if you put the hard work in at the beginning, then you will just obviously enjoy the rewards at the end. So this is basically the step-by-step process and how the online courses model works as your first online business. If you've got any questions, then just reach out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Many thanks Breakthrough for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.